Hello everyone, it's Brandy here, and I am so excited to share with you details about our upcoming online Creativate stamping retreat. So if you have never joined us for our Creativate retreat, it is an online retreat. So you don't have to go anywhere. You can craft from the pleasure of being in your own home and use your own stamp sets and ink and paper. And it is an online crafting retreat that anybody can do anywhere. Speaking of anywhere, we have folks that join us from all over the world. That's right, they're from Germany, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the United States, Great Britain, France. And so we have so many friends all over the world that join us for our online crafting retreat. So the Creativate leaders are 4 of the top demonstrators within Stampin' Up! And we love to create, and we are super excited to share with you. Once one retreat is done, we are already picking projects and starting to plan for the next one because we love it so much. And the feedback that we have received has been amazing, that y'all love it too, and that you get these ideas and keep you going and crafting and inspired for weeks to come. That's what we hope for. So very, very exciting. The retreat, it's coming up, and we would love for you to join us. If you've joined us for the retreat before, please leave in the comments. Let us know what you think. I would love for others to hear a testimonial that the retreat is so much fun and how much you have enjoyed it and met other crafting friends from around the world. So this retreat has YouTube Live, so we'll come to you live during the retreat weekend. So we will be there with you live, and if you can't join us that weekend, well, that's okay. You can still purchase the retreat and watch it at your leisure. That's right, so you can go ahead and you can purchase it and you can watch it later. But if you join us live, you'll get some giggles and you'll get some laughs, and it just is a really, really fun day. Now, save the date. The Creativate Spring Online Retreat is April 14th and 15th, 2023. It's coming up super quick. So save that date, April 14th and 15th of 2023. Now, if you'd like to read the details about the Creativate retreat, you can do so on BrandysCards.com/Creativate. I have all the details about the spring retreat right there for you. And of course, if you have any questions, you're welcome to email me at BrandysCards.com/contact. Send me an email. I'd love to answer any questions that you might have. Now, once you register, you're going to get a link. And that link is going to take you to the BrandysCards Creativate webpage, the retreat hub. That's right. So it's going to be a retreat hub here on BrandysCards. And it will be where you're going to find all of the details that you need to enjoy the retreat. You're going to see the links to the lives. So you'll see the schedule, because we're going to start on Friday night. We've got 2 lives on a Friday night. And then we have all day going on Saturday, April 15th. It's a full day. So much fun. We go on the hour. And of course, you can see all the details about the schedule and who's presenting on the BrandysCards Creativate retreat webpage on the hub. So that's where you'll find that. We have full PDF tutorials that you can download. They're full color tutorials with all the sizes, dimensions, the supplies we used, and all of that good stuff. Now, we get the question quite frequently, do you guys provide a list of products that you use? You know, we don't, and let me tell you why. Because we don't want you to purchase anything extra. We want you to, be inspired by the project, the fun fold, the technique, and then we hope that you go into your crafting space and you pull a stamp set that you're inspired to use. Use your designer paper, pick some colors that work for you. So that's why we don't provide that. However, we do provide it to you the Thursday before the event so that if you want to craft along and you have those supplies or you've cut some other supplies, that you can craft along with us and ease during the event over the weekend. So it's just so much fun and we thoroughly enjoy it. Now, we also have a private Facebook group. That private Facebook group is optional. So if you like Facebook or you have an account, you're welcome to join us there. You're going to see so many ideas and lots more inspiration. I have to tell you, it is so fun to bring you these ideas. But y'all are so talented, and we have so many crafters that share in the comments their pictures of the inspiration, the cards that they made, the projects. So not only are you getting the cards that we're sharing with you, but you're getting hundreds and hundreds of other ideas. So much inspiration. It is amazing. So that private Facebook group is something that you could be a part of if you choose to do so. Now, the retreat, you have lifetime access. So you can purchase it now and join us later. You can join us during the event. So you do you. It's entirely up to you. Remember, it's an online crafting retreat, so you don't have to go anywhere. You can enjoy your coffee or tea and just giggle along with us. Okay, so here's an important tidbit. There's an early bird registration. So if you want some more tutorials, there is an opportunity. On March 17th, 18th, and 19th is early bird registration. And what that means is if you register during that time frame, March 17th, 18th, or 19th, you will be emailed 4 additional, completely different, 4 additional Funfold tutorials. So you will get more, more ideas, more inspiration. So I highly recommend that. Those Funfolds are awesome, and I have got some here that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. So that is the early bird registration. Now, once you register, I have to tell you, we have what we call challenges. Now, you don't have to participate in those unless you want to, but they are just to kind of help you get your mojo going and start to kind of think about crafting, dust off your stamps, pull out some of your ink pads, and kind of get in the groove of stamping. So we love those challenges. We like to kind of challenge you a little bit to think of, different layouts, different designs, different ways to use the paper and the dies and so forth. So those challenges are completely optional, but they are a lot of fun. And we give you another PDF tutorial, there's 3 cards. We'll give you a challenge, and we'll make 3 cards for each challenge. So that is another set of cards. So I think if you register for early bird, you'll get a total of 40 PDF tutorials. So very cool, super excited about that. And I think you will be too once I show you these awesome projects. Now, before I show those to you, again, early bird registration is the 17th. You can register all the way up until the event. The event is April 14th and 15th, and each Creativate leader has their own unique link to register. So if you haven't joined us before, I'd be grateful if you registered with BrandysCards. I would be honored to have you as a guest of the Creativate Spring Retreat, as a guest of BrandysCards. So you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed to BrandysCards so that you get the email at 8 a.m. That's right, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, March 17th. Now, let's just say, maybe you're not doing email, or maybe stuff goes to your junk mail. That's okay. Just write down BrandysCards.com/Creativate. And on March 17th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can absolutely register for the event. And I would be so grateful if you would register with me. So very much fun, so excited, and I can't hardly wait to show you some of these projects. Okay. Without further ado, I think I've covered everything. So if you have any questions, just reach out to me, BrandysCards.com/contact. I'd be happy to answer any of those questions for you. We've been doing these retreats now, for almost, 3 years. So it's been, and we do them 4 times a year, quarterly. So we have some guests that have joined us for every retreat, and we have some guests that have joined us for 2 or 3 and continue to join us when they can. And then, of course, we have some newbies. We are so excited to have everybody. And, we really focus on sharing the idea, the tutorial, the inspiration. This event is for beginners, avid stampers. It's for everybody because you can make it your own. So really a lot of fun. Okay, let me share with you this card. is one of the cards that I shared. All of these projects that I'm going to share with you are from past Creativate retreats. So none of these cards we will be doing in this retreat. However, if you're interested in any of these tutorials, you can certainly purchase them on BrandysCards.com in my Creativate retreat in the store. You can purchase prior retreats for these tutorials. So here you go. I'm going to open it up. And you can see this is a really fun little fold. Isn't that adorable? And so then on the inside, no matter what, I'm here for you. I've got your back. And then it just pushes right through. So fun. So that's one of them. Let me show you one of the fun folds that for the early bird registration a couple of retreats ago. This little piggy says, "Happy birthday," so sparkly, so happy and fun. And then you open it up and he's like speeding away. Yeah, so cool. And of course, you know, just a fun envelope. We like to decorate those insides of those envelopes and give you some ideas and some inspiration. So there's another fun envelope. Here's another card, just kind of has a little tab. You're going to open that up and oh, look at the inside. We can make it through anything if we do it together. I love that. This tucks kind of right in there. And then of course you can write here on the back or make this a full card base if you choose to. So that's really fun. That's another one of those. Oh, how about a technique? Here is a cool technique. This was tissue paper. Yeah, so check that out. Oh, you're the coolest. Let me tell you, this technique was super fun and super cool, and you can't help but love the little moose. He's adorable. Love it. Okay, here's another one. This was the chalkboard technique, and as you can see, it looks chalky, just so fun. Just love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, let me show you one of my favorites. Can you guess what I used for this project? Oh, I don't know. Can you guess? Look at this beautiful textured paper back here. It is TP, toilet paper. That's right. I like to just kind of have fun and try different things. And so here is the card on the inside. This is also toilet paper. Yeah, so cool and so fun. This little banner kind of, you know, sentiment tucks underneath there to kind of to stay in its place. So really cool. Now I'm going to show you one of the challenge cards also. This was the challenge that I gave a couple of retreats ago. And really the challenge was just cut some designer paper strips and layer them until you can kind of see the different sizes of those strips along with the envelope. So really, really lovely. Oh, and this was a different retreat. This one, oh, look at that. So this one, instead of gluing them or adhering them horizontal there, this time we wrapped them around this centerpiece. So it's actually raised a little bit. It's really fun. So that's another challenge that was once offered. But there are all kinds of challenges. There are, you know, there are challenges for designs, and there's color challenges, and there's, oh, you name it. We try to come up with so many different fun things for you just to kind of get you in that stampin' mood. All right, so thank you so much for watching my video today. If you've joined us for the retreat before, super excited and hope you will consider joining us again. If you've registered with me in the past, thank you. I'm super grateful. And if you're considering the retreat, I would love the opportunity to help you answer any questions you have and would be grateful if you would consider registering with me. Just go to BrandysCards.com/Creativate. Early bird registration opens on March 17th. Save the date. The actual online stamping retreat will be April 14th and 15th. And you can watch it on any device. So you can watch it on any device that you would like because they are YouTube lives and just, you know, you can watch them however you would like. And of course, if you can, we'd love for you to get in the chat, make some new friends, giggle along with us, and share. Thank you so much for stopping by Brandy's Cards. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy stamping. Bye.